नमस्कार, सुप्रभात, गुड मॉर्निंग गोवा. स्मिता आळेकाराचो येवकार खबरो विस्तारान. गोंयभर जमनी बळकावपाच्यो 101 केशी, 35 FIR, बार्देसांतल्यान सांगार पावल्यो. सांगेच्या मामलेदारान 73 प्रकरणां SITक दिल्यात, सगळ्यो सरकारी. SITचो SP वाल्सन म्हणटा, जमनीच्या केशींनी आतां मेरेन 9 जाणांक अटक. सरकारी अधिकारी आसल्यार पसून सोडचे ना. सरकारी जमिनीचे बनावट डॉक्युमेंटाच्यो केशी चड.
Nine arrested. One lady was arrested 2 days back. It's concentrated more or less in the north. South also we have got some complaints and we have got some FIRs transferred from South Goa district as well. But primarily the maximum number of lands which have come under the purview of investigation of SIT. Complaints are still receiving and it's an ongoing process. There are properties are big in size.
Sir, which area having a maximum cases?
I already told it's Bades.
इतले मजगती अटक जाल्ल्या अमृत गोवेकराच्या जामीन अर्जाचेर सुनावणी जाली.
Frequently, when my client Amrut Govekar approached the crime branch, he was arrested by registering a new FIR, that is 66 of 22. Now, based on after the arrest, we have filed the bail application. The JMFC, it was before the JMFC, say was called, and in the meantime, the complainant or one of the complainant in the other crime, that is 139/22, had filed a application for intervention, which was not strictly objected by us. Now, after their intervention, the bail application was heard by the learned JMFC MAPSA, and today were the orders. Now the court has passed orders in our favor, granting us bail with surety of 1 lakh rupees and reporting of 5 days after his release. Now the person who is claiming rights over the property does not have any document to substantiate his claim over the property. Amrut Govekar is an innocent purchaser, a bona fide purchaser. He has been wrongly dragged into this matter.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.
मडगांव नावेली सेल्फ एक्सिडेंटान जोडपें सोंपलें. दोगांय कारमोणीची. राती गाडी खंय एअरपोर्टावेल्यान आयिल्ली. ड्रायव्हराक दोळो लागलो आनी ताणें गाडी दुर्गार मोखली. गाडयेंत फाटल्यान बशिल्ल्या 3 जाणांक माल लागला. तांकां जिल्लो हॉस्पिटलांत शिफ्ट केल्यात. केस पुलिसा कडेन पावल्या.
आयज सकाळी नावेली नागमोळे हांगासर एक एक्सिडेंट जालो. एक इको गाडी हाचो सेल्फ एक्सिडेंट जालो आनी जोकी रॉड्रिगीस आनी लिना रोशा हांकां मरण आयलें. ही दोगांय करमणीची. तशीच गाडीन आनी 4 जाण आसलीं, ती जखमी जाल्यात आनी तांकां डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांत एडमीट केल्या. मडगांवचे पुलीस फुडली तपासणी करता. प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर मडगांवच्यान सावेडेस.
अल-कैदाचो मुखेली जवाहिरीक मारलो. अमेरिकेन अफगाणिस्तानात केल्ल्या ड्रोन हल्ल्यांत जवाहिरी सोंपलो. अमेरिकेचो अध्यक्ष जो बायडनान जाहीर केलें. अफगाण राजधानी काबुलांत जवाहिरीचे सेफ घराचेर CIAचो ड्रोन मिसायल स्ट्रायक. 2011त ओसामा लादेन मेल्या उपरांत जवाहिरी अल-कैदाचो मुखेली जाल्लो. 9 ते 11 हल्ल्यांतलो तो दुसरो मोस्ट वॉन्टेड.
Ayman al-Zawahiri. You know, Zawahiri was bin Laden's leader. He was with him the whole time. He was his number 2 man, his deputy at the time the terrorist attack 9/11. He was deeply involved in the planning of 9/11. One of the most responsible for the attacks that murdered 2,977 people on American soil. For decades, he was the mastermind behind attacks against Americans, including the bombing of the USS Cole in 2000, which killed 17 American sailors and wounded dozens more. He played a key role in the bombing of U.S. embassies in Kenya and Tanzania, killing 224 and wounding over 4,500 others. He carved a trail of murder and violence against American citizens, American service members, American diplomats, and American interests. And since the United States delivered justice to bin Laden 11 years ago, Zawahiri has been a leader of Al-Qaeda, the leader. From hiding, he coordinated Al-Qaeda's branches and all around the world, including setting priorities for providing operational guidance that call for and inspired attacks against U.S. targets. He made videos, including in recent weeks, calling for his followers to attack the United States and our allies. Now, justice has been delivered, and this terrorist leader is no more.
आदी पर्रीकार सरकारान इंग्लीश शाळांक ग्रांट दिले. आता विलिनीकरणाच्या नांवान हे सरकार मातृभाषेंतल्यो शाळा काबार करता. भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाचो आरोप. डायसेसन सोसायटी बरोबर खंय सरकाराचे सेटिंग, विलिनीकरण नाका. माधव कामत समितीचो रिपोर्ट चालीक लायात. सरकाराक शाळा चलोवंक जमना जाल्यार खंय खासगी संस्थांक चलोवंक दियात.
देशभर मातृभाषेतल्या शाळांकूच ग्रँट मेळटा, पण गोंय हे नागालँडाच्या पायरेचेर हाडून त्या वेळा वयल्या सरकारान, मनोहरबाब पर्रीकाराच्या नेतृत्वाखालच्या सरकारान इंग्लीश ग्रँट जो आसा हो दिवपाक सुरू केलो चर्चेच्या शाळा. आणि आता दुसरो भाग जो आसा ह्या कारस्थानाचो तो मराठी शाळा आणि कोंकणी शाळा ज्यो आसा मातृभाषेंतल्यो त्यो सोंपोवपाचें कारस्थान गेल्या काही दीस चालू जाल्लें आसा जोरान. ह्यो मातृभाषे मिडियमांतल्यो शाळा ज्यो आसा त्यो एमालगमेट करप म्हणजे तांचें विलिनीकरण करप असो एक बरो गोंडस शब्द सरकारान दिला. साधारणपणे 101 शाळा अंदूच्या वर्सा सरकार खलास करपाचो आसा. एका वटेन ह्यो शाळा मरपाक दिवप आणि दुसऱ्या वटेन शाळांक परवानगी दिवप ना. आणि त्यामुळे हळूहळू करून इंग्लीश शाळांची पाकिटां भरपाचो प्रयत्न सरकारचो आसा काय कितें. छुपा समझोता ह्या सरकारान इंग्लीश शाळा जे चलयतात भरपूर ग्रँट घेवन त्या डायसेसन सोसायटी कडेन केल्लो आसा मता खातीर काय कितें. आमची मागणी अशी आसा एमालगमेशनचो प्रयत्न सोडून दिवचो, माधव कामत कमिटीचो रिपोर्ट इम्प्लिमेंट करचो आणि मराठी प्रायव्हेट शाळा ज्यो आसा मराठी कोंकणीच्यो 200 शाळा भायर आयल्या सरकारान गेल्या 5 वर्सांक परवानगी दिवंक ना. त्या शाळांक अंदूच्या वर्साच्यान परवानगी दिवंक लागत. म्हणजे मराठी शाळा जश्यो बंद पडटा आणि सरकाराक जर जमना तें चलोवपाक जाल्यार निदान प्रायव्हेट सेक्टरा कडेन तरी ह्यो शाळा चलोवपाची परवानगी सरकारान दिवपाक जाय.
कोंकणी मायभास चळवळीचो वांगडी युगांक नायक म्हणटा प्रमोद सावंत मुक्ती उपरांत जल्मल्लो गोंयचो खंय पयलो मुख्यमंत्री जो कोंकणी राज्यभाशे बरोबर निश्ठेन उबो रावला.
दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हे गोंयचे पयले मुख्यमंत्री जांचो जल्म गोंयच्या मुक्तीच्या उपरांत जालो. जेन्ना दोतोर प्रमोद सावंतान स्पश्ट भुमिका कोंकणी बाबतींत घेतली तेन्ना एक क्रेडीट तांकां आमी दिवपाक जाय. ह्या पिळगे भितरले पयले गोंयचे मुख्यमंत्री जांची कोंकणी भाशे बाबतींत निश्ठा स्पश्ट आसा, व्याख्या स्पश्ट आसा.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
आशियांतली सगळ्यात पोन्नी फुटबॉल सर्त दुरांद कप 2023 गोंयांत जाव येता. पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन सांगता सध्याच्या मंत्रिमंडळ उमेदी ही सर्त गोंयांत हाडपाचे खंय यत्न चल्ल्यात. दुरांद कप ट्रॉफीच्या उक्तावणाक तो उलयलो. दुरांद कप कमिटीचो वांगडी लेफ्टनंट जनरल रेप्सवाल म्हणटा फुडलीं 5 वर्सां सर्त कोलकातात कांय मॅची गोंयांत दवरूं येता.
With the present government, the chief minister, the sports minister, myself as the tourism and IT minister, we have a cabinet which is a mix of youth, experience, and everyone would love to have this sport to the level of Durand Cup come here. So Repswalji, I would take this opportunity to welcome all of you to Goa for the next edition. If things need to worked out, I think with Akshay, I think things can be channelized so that next year we have something, a flag of Durand Cup flying high in Goa. I would like to convey my best wishes and support to the forthcoming Durand Cup, the 131st edition. And whatever we can do for Goa, I think the journey has still just begun for Goa. Let's talk it out and make it successful for next year for Goa.
2014, the Cup was held in Goa. There were certain problems which we are really not aware of. But now we have permission from Durand Football Tournament Society to conduct the Cup at Calcutta for the next 5 years. While we are conducting the Cup at Calcutta for next 5 years, but we do have an option that for next year, like we have one pool playing at Guwahati and another one playing at Imphal. Similarly, we can have a pool playing at Goa or maybe 2 pools playing at Goa. And depending on the success of that event that we have, We can have quarterfinals or the semi-finals also on a later editions. But next year, yes, one pool playing in Goa can be very much worked out. 131st edition of Durand will be held from 16th August to 18th September. There are a total of 4 pools and 20 teams taking part into it. There is a one pool playing in Guwahati, one pool playing in Imphal in Manipur, and 2 pools playing in Calcutta. That is, there will be a total of 47 matches in which the teams at Guwahati and Manipur will play 10 matches each. That is only the league stage. All the matches from quarterfinals, semi-finals and finals will be held in Calcutta. The finals will be on 18th of September at Salt Lake Stadium, Calcutta.
घेऊया बारीकसो ब्रेक, पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. मडगांवां एसजीपीडीए वरांच्या कोतार फी घेता ती दिसाक एकदांच घेवती म्हणून नुस्तेकार एसजीपीडीए चेअरमॅनाक मेळ्ळे. बसकेक आमदार विजय आनी दिगंबरूय आशिल्लो. सुवात कमी आशिल्ल्यान वन टायम फी शक्य ना. वेळ आनी फी थोडी थाकाय दिवंक येता म्हणून चेअरमॅन दाजी सांगता. नवें मार्केट जाल्या उपरांत माय सुवातीचो विचार करूं येता.
हय, म्हाका दिसता फाटली 5-6 वर्सां पयलीं जर पळयलें जायत गोंयकार जो येतालो गाडी घेवन ताका कोणूच पयशे लायनाशिल्ले. हे आतां रिसंटली स्टार्ट जालें आनी ते आतां इतले हाय जाल्ले आसा की आमी तेय डिस्कस केलें की 10 पाटी जर म्हाका जर नुस्तें मेळ्ळें 10 पाटलें आनी ते जर हांवें जर बोलेरो गाडयेन जर भाड्यान जर घालून हाडली जाल्यार भाड्याक 2000 वतले आनी हांगा हांचे रेटी प्रमाणे आमगे 1000 हांगा दिवचो पडटलो. म्हणजे जो अल्टिमेट फीश कॅच कोण पळय करता न्ही ताका आनी कांय उरपा सारकें ना.
सो आमी दाजीक सांगलेलें आसा आनी जे लोकल्स पळय आसा तेंचो प्रिफरन्स पयलो हाडचो आनी हार्ली पळय इतले फीज दवरला ते कमी करपाचो नाल्यार तो कंप्लिटली बंद करून ओन्ली वन टायम फी घेवचो लायक हाव दे शूड टेक बिफोर. 500 रुपया आशिल्ले पूण फूल डे.
तातूंत ते म्हणटात पर आवर नाका, पर आवर नाका म्हळ्यार एकूच चार्ज लाया. पूण हांगा इश्यू कसो आहा, जागो ल्हान आहा सो तूं भितर वतकर केन्ना तूं भायर वतलो हो प्रश्न आहा. जर तूं येवन दीसभर रावलो जाल्यार दुसऱ्या मनशाक येवंक मेळचें ना, जागो पडटलो. सो आमी तांकां विचारतले की अपर लिमीट तुमकां कितलो जाय टायमाचो, 3 वरां धरया. ते म्हणटा नाका, वरांचे कोता उलोवं नाका. सो हाजेर आमकां सोल्युशन मेळना. एक टायमींग म्हणटा तो आसपाक जाय. म्हाका दिसता ते उलयता.
एसजीपीडीए चेअरमॅन म्हणटा वन टायम फी शक्य ना, थाकाय दिवपाचेर विचार जातलो.
वन टायम रेट फिक्स करप हे शक्य ना, कित्याक वन टायम रेट फिक्स केलो जाल्यार त्यो गाडयो थंयच उरतल्यो, त्यो भायरूच सरपाना. सो आवरलीच आमी तांकां सांगलें एज अ स्पेशल केस तुमी सगळे आमचे गोंयकार भाव म्हणून आमी कितें तरी डिस्कावंट दिवंक शकता. बट वी कॅनॉट गिव इट म्हणजे टेम्पर तूं जाय तेन्ना यो जाय तेन्ना वच इतलेच फारीक कर, आमी तशें करूंक शकना. सो तांणीय सांगलां आमी एक वर्कआवट कितें करून येता म्हणून. आनी वी वील ऑलवेज प्रिफर, आमी गोंयकारांक प्रेफरन्स दिवंकूच जाय आनी वी वील गिव तांकां प्रेफरन्स.
प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील.
गोंयचे पुलीस खात्याचे रेकॉर्ड फुडल्या 1 वर्सा भितर डिजिटल जातले. गोंय पुलिसेन फायर ब्लॉकचेन नेटवर्का बरोबर कबलात केल्या. खात्याचो कारभार खंय पेपरलेस जातलो. पारदर्शकता आनी कार्यक्षमता सुदारपाच्या हेतान हो उपाय. क्रायम ब्रांचीचो एसपी आनी फायर चेन टेक्नोच्या सीईओन कबलातीचेर सयो केल्या.
Goa Police has signed a MOU with Fire Blockchain Private Limited, a leading make in India startup in blockchain technology, firm which is specialized in blockchain. So the MOU aims at mutual cooperation between the organizations and resource sharing, so that using the blockchain technology we are able to provide better policing services to the citizens. And as an initial phase, Goa Police as well as the Fire will aim to make all our documents digitized. The ultimate aim will be to make the entire Goa Police paperless. Fire will provide the infrastructure and support system in achieving this target.
Second, Sir's goal also was to get all the citizens to feel more transparent, and for that, blockchain, we will be using the most advanced technology of blockchain to make the records. All the records will be stored in a blockchain. It will start with a pilot. It will run until the stage where we make the whole Goa police digitized. It will keep running until then, as he mentioned. One big piece is when you put all the employee records or you put any records on blockchain, the technology is built in a way that you can't change the data. So it's immutable, it's more transparent, it's more secure, and it's more cost effective.
नवे राष्ट्रीय शिक्षण धोरण चालीक लावप आणि ते शाळेच्या मुखेल्यांनी फुडें भरप ह्या नजरेन गोवा हेडमास्टर संघटना राजपावण्यावेली परिशद घेता. 4 आणि 5 ऑगस्टाक ही परिशद जातली. मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत ह्या परिशदेचे उक्तावण करतलो. नवे शिक्षण धोरण चालीक लायतना आव्हानांविशयी परिशदेत चर्चा जातली.
GOA Administrator Association has decided to hold second state level presidential conference for secondary school heads in the state of Goa. This conference will be held on 4th and 5th August at St. Joseph was the Navelim Center. Honorable CM will inaugurate it on the 4th at 10 a.m. We are aware that we are on the verge of implementing national education policy, and so all the school heads should know what are the challenges that will be or what are the changes that will come, and so more of a discussion on the NEP will take place in this conference. So on the first session we have what are the adaptations that are required to welcome NEP. That is one session we have. And then another session we have on the school complexes or nurturing the professional communities is there, and then after that we have complexes. Complexes we will be having a panel discussion, because now NEP says that we should not work in isolation. There should be a sharing of resources between the schools. So whatever suggestions we had in the respective implementation, we have already given to the government as a part of the task force committee. It's a very good thing, because the 9 to 12 stage they have clubbed together, and they have given the subject choices to students. It is very good, because from 9th on, from after 8th, the students can think of his future.
इडियम 3 दिसांच्या सुवातेर 4 दिसांचो करतले. इडियमात संवसारभरचो लोक येता. इडियमात गोंयच्या कलेक फुडें हाडपाच्या दिशेन खंय काम जातलें. तेच बरोबर नरकासूर, शिगम्या सारकेले इव्हेंटूय टुरिस्टां मुखार हाडूंक जाय म्हणून रोहन उलयला. टायट जावन गाडी चलयतल्या आड सुरू केल्ल्या मोहिमेक रोहनाचो येवकार.
ईडीएमाक पॉलिसी न्ही, ईडीएमाक ताका आमी सांगला 3 पाट्याचे 4 दीस करप. 31 करता, 30 करता, 28, 27 केन्ना करता, पण 4 दीस करप. एक स्टेज डेडिकेटेड with Goan culture is to come in, where the whole setup is that way, a feel of Goa, where you have not only the DJs and the other people playing music, the local DJs, but also you have the food, cuisine, and other things which we can give out. So there's a platform for our Goans to showcase at EDM, where people of the world come for EDM. Other than this, they should also know what is happening otherwise and what our talent is. So that's what we have asked, and we have asked them to ensure it is done. So ते सुद्धा करता असताना आम्ही बाकीचे वर्षभरचे इव्हेंट्स करता. चिखलकाला जाता, सांजोवा जाता, बोंदेरा जाता, असे कितलेशे नरकासुरा वेळा जाता. असे इतले फेस्टिवल्स वी हॅव नेवर शोन द वर्ल्ड, वी आर विदिन आवरसेल्व्स. नरकासुरा सारकेलो इव्हेंट जो जाता पहिले दिसा दिवाळीच्या, तो देशभर खंयच जायना. बट वी आर हॅव्हिंग अ व्हेरी क्लियर फोकस ऑन हाऊ इट इज अँड वॉट नीड्स टू बी डन. We can do a lot more. Shigmo and Carnival asthana, we have to ensure our local culture, local things are showcased to the world. So a lot of plans are happening simultaneously. The team is on the job. Janna kide aata, we will come to you and talk to you all. Self-responsibility to everyone to drive responsibly. आणि आपल्यान समज कितें ड्रिंक घेतल्या केअर घेना जाल्यार स्वता चिंतपाक जाय की आपणें चलोवपाचें काय ना. सो कालचें जें जालां, इट्स अ गुड थिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ गिविंग अ व्हेरी क्लियर मेसेज that this type of things shouldn't happen and discourage this type of things.
वास्कोचो फामाद दामोदर भजनी सप्ताह आयच्यान सुरू. नागपंचमीच्या दुसरे दिसा सप्ताह सुरू जाता. ह्या सप्ताक गोंयचे तशेंच भायल्या बऱ्या कलाकारांची भजनां आनी भक्तिगितांच्यो सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळी जातात. वास्को सप्ताची फेरी फामाद. फेरी फुडले 7 दीस चालू उरपाची. पळयात वास्कोचो फामाद दामोदर सप्ताह. ही आशिल्ली सकाळची अपडेट. परत रोखडेच मेळुया. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. वेबसायट, ट्विटर ॲप, फेसबुक, टाटा स्काय ॲप, जिओ TV ॲपार. बी प्रुडंट, बी सेफ. कीप वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.